Yo, what's going on, guys? Bexio back, and today we've got a brand new video recapping the Wall Street Bets meme folio that we did about a month ago. And we are going to be looking at how it's doing compared to my portfolio, compared to S&P 500. And the market has been very bloody, very red recently. And we'll see how it stacks up. Basically, what we did was take the top 10 talked about stocks in Wall Street Bets and then took as even as we could, $50,000 in a paper trading wallet and distributed it evenly across all 10 stocks. Now, I think that there was one stock that was one of the top 10 most talked about that you can't buy or couldn't get on paper trade or something like that. So we ended up doing just the 9, which came out to making things a little bit harder when doing it, like breaking things up evenly, but it is gonna be about the same effect. We split up the money as good as we possibly could. So to start with this portfolio, we can see there it is $70,209.75. It is up $20,000, over $20,000 for a 40% gain in under a month, which is actually insane compared to what the market's been doing. But when you look at the stocks that are being held within this account, it is actually a bloodbath between everything except for 2, which is GameStop and AMC, the most talked about short selling, short squeeze stocks. And I gotta say, I am extremely surprised to see that GameStop went back over $200. That is insane. And then AMC, out of the blue, didn't expect them to move at all, but they did. And then, I mean, everything else, Tesla's down, Palantir's down, Sundial, AMD, BlackBerry, Ephria, and Apple are all down and in the red. The worst performer is Sundial Growers. They are losing almost $1,700. And the best performer, obviously GameStop at over $17,000. That it's up over 300%. It is insane what GameStop's done. Did not expect this at all, and I think that it's unprecedented what's going on with GameStop, with Wall Street Bets. I haven't been on the subreddit a lot recently, but it is just crazy what's been going on. And the Congress hearing, DFV was there. He had to testify, said he was buying more GameStop stock, and he did double down, and he made even more money. So this guy's crazy. So looking at this portfolio, would I recommend doing something like this? I can't say I would. I mean, you see the bloodbath between everything. Not to say that the market isn't in deep red state, because it is. So it's kind of unfair to compare it like this. But it did win. It did win compared to the market. Let's see if we can actually get some comparisons here. So we can do some comparisons here of the meme folio compared to things like the S&P 500. You can see it is the S&P 500 for the last month is only up 0.8%. So the meme folio blew it out of the water. It is at 40% gains, which, I mean, who could have seen this coming? This is crazy. But again, I don't think I could recommend doing this. This is definitely more gambling. I don't know if we're ever going to see something like this again with a GameStop or even AMC with trying to trigger short squeezes. There might be a couple here and there that Wall Street Bets gets to get ahead of and actually, front run shorts. But I think hedge funds are now wary that this can happen, and they're going to be less likely to heavily short a stock, which is a good thing, because shorting stocks are, I mean, really bad. Like, you're betting against a company and you're almost forcing company into bankruptcy or being gone altogether. I mean, I guess that would be bankruptcy. And then that's costing people's jobs. You're basically betting on misfortunes of others. Shorting is really kind of immoral, honestly, but it does happen. I think at least this will take shorting away for a little bit. stocks will still get shorted, but not to 100%, hopefully. And if they do, then Wall Street Bets can be our hero and take down the hedge funds by forcing them into a short squeeze and making them lose lots and lots of money. And then comparing this to my very own portfolio on Robinhood, it is not good. So the Memefolio is blowing mine out of the water. The GameStop, Skyrocket, and AMC, it's really taken over, and my portfolio is down 11%, a little over 11% for the month. And the Memefolio obviously is up 40%, so it's got me beat, which is still crazy. But I think my biggest losses is on, Plug Power. I'm gonna do a video breaking down my entire portfolio and talking about stocks that I'm in, and I think it'll be interesting. But this Memefolio is absolutely crushing it. Didn't think it would do this. I mean, it's beating the S&P. It's beating all markets because everything is red and battered, and it is actually finding returns. So if you were to take the top 10 stocks on Wall Street Bets, the top 10 most talked about stocks, and divided up money equally amongst them all, and sat on it for this period of time, you would have made a lot of money. So you would have made 40%. If you just did the GameStop and AMC plays, then you would have made even more money because those are the ones in the green. Everything else is the one that's taking money away. So if this was a real account with real money, what would I do right now? And that would probably be sell out of GameStop, sell out of AMC, add money to Apple, Tesla, and AMD. Maybe AMD. No, definitely Apple and Tesla. I probably wouldn't hold. I wouldn't get near BlackBerry, Afria, Sundial, Palantir. Maybe add shares of that. I know a lot of people are excited about Palantir and what they can do, but if I was to have real money in this, I would definitely take the profits from GameStop, from AMC, put them into the heavily oversold shares of big tech like Apple, FANG stocks, and Tesla, and kind of use that money to put it into more safer growth stocks than these insanely risky speculative views and stocks. So that's what I would do with this if this was real money. It's not, so we're going to continue to watch this account. If you want to keep up with like weekly updates instead of an update here and there on the channel, then you can follow me on Twitter. I do tweet out pictures of this account if it gets to something that's ridiculous, like if this hit 80K or 100K, or GameStop really ran, or if it fell down 25K, I would be posting pictures like that because I think it's interesting to follow this stuff and see what Wall Street Bets can do for people. So guys, let me know what you think of Wall Street Bets and the Memefolio. Are you in any of these meme stocks? And if so, are you holding them long term, trying to trade for some money? And as always, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you guys in my next video.